Hey guys, so here's how I make my little elastic bracelets, and these are actually going to be for my mother-in-law because she wanted me to make her some. And all I'm doing here is getting the elastic string, and I'm going to be adding everything into it as you see right here. I'm using spacer tubes and spacer beads, freshwater pearls, and some charms as you see right there. So all I'm doing is just going in and adding everything. I'm going to add a tube spacer, then I'm going to add a pearl, then a spacer bead, and that's how I'm going to go. And I'm going to make two sides with 3 of the large pearls, and then one side's going to be with 4 pearls. That's simply all you have to do. These are mainly really easy to make. And right here's where I add the 4th pearl. It all depends on the person's hand. My mother-in-law just has a thicker wrist, so hers is going to be a little bit bigger. That's why I added the extra bead. There I added the charm. Now you're just going to do a double knot loop right here, and you're going to close it off. I always like to close this off with some either clear polish, or you can use glue, but glue is very tricky because glue can actually fry the elastic, so you have to be very careful. And this is how they look after they're done. I hope that was an easy tutorial. It was very simple, and yeah, my mother-in-law loved them. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.